95 degrees outside already. The water's down about 6 to 10 feet out here, which might make it a little bit challenging, but we're gonna try to come out here and catch a few in the Texas heat, see if we can't make that happen. All right. Not a bad little 1.5 for hot days, pulling fish out of the shade. Been tough, but we'll take it. All right. Little one. Nice to see they're biting in the heat though. Little bitty small one. Please don't hook me. Almost as big as the bait. Another smallie. Boy, these small ones try to get you hooked so bad. Boy, he got all 3 trebles. Little bitty. Yes, sir. This one's a pretty good one. Calm down, buddy. about a 1.5. So we're throwing a Strike King wake bait, which is just like your standard Strike King crankbait, except it has the shallow square bill. This lake is very shallow, grass field at the bottom, so we just want to be able to get about 2 to 3 feet under the water, rip through the grass, and create a reaction strike. It's a pretty good bait. I use it all times of the year. Got a couple different patterns on it, but this pattern right here, the shad pattern, seems to do the best for me. This one feels pretty decent. Another 1.5. I don't know, with the belly, this one might find its way to 2. Pretty good sized belly. Oh, back-to-back cast. Stay down, big dude. Oh, he came off. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Back-to-back cast. Oh, I knew it felt squirrely. Oh, swiped it and missed it. Got him that time. Got him that time. Tried to short strike it. Oh, I broke a treble. How'd that happen? Small one. All right, it's about 11 o'clock and the heat is just about unbearable, so I'm calling it a day. I highly recommend the Strike King wake bait. You can get the shad pattern. They also have a kind of white with mustard top that is very successful. I highly recommend that bait for anyone trying to fish in the upper water column. I'm gonna try to head to the house before I pass out here, but until next time, signing off.